larger than the corporate credit union crisis, but yet linked is the economy, the general economy. How do you foresee that shaking out in the next year or two?
Well, I wish I could be optimistic about it, Sarah, to
Right.
be frank. I'm sure you read the headlines in the paper yesterday that, the recession's over, but the pain persists. I believe you can't have a jobless recovery. I think, we've got to get our hands around employment in this country. And not only employment, not a lot of people talk about employment, but it's got to be, it can't be underemployment. And just working in underpaying jobs is probably not the answer. So I think, you need to dig deeper than just the employment numbers. We continue, and I know credit unions, especially in the most affected states, continue to be concerned about housing prices. And that doesn't look like it's going to recover anytime soon. In fact, I think, some of the noted experts are saying that, housing prices could go down for another 3 years. Bottom line, everything we look at best is neutral, maybe neutral to negative. So we actually think there's probably a fairly long road back here.
Right. And in your business, insurance and investments, how does that play into credit unions being able to maybe make up some of those funds? Where are the cost savings in offering these types of services, as well as the non-interest income opportunities?
Yeah, probably the from a CUNA Mutual standpoint, we are really about protecting their balance sheets and providing them the balance sheets, their own investment products, and then obviously providing income opportunities. Probably the greatest opportunity we've seen credit unions taking advantage of is our Member Connect program. Mm-hmm. I think we have about 40 million members in the Member Connect program. It's a very turnkey program for credit unions. We've been open for longer-term credit union investments for quite a while. We were quiet about it because we didn't want to compete against the corporates, but we had a lot of credit unions come to us and say, look, you are long-term investors, can you help us? And we've done that. That's another place where, to the extent there's a fair amount of liquidity in a credit union and they're looking to invest that liquidity for a greater than 12-month period, that we've added significant dollars to credit unions' income over the last few years. Again, a very tailored program. Credit unions choose the amount of risk they want and the duration, and we kind of do the rest.